What's going on, guys? So, when it rains a lot, this never happens. This is the second time this has happened. Look at that! This is the only thing connecting us from our road. Okay, so we are on our way to town. Unfortunately, the whole dare thing didn't really go out as planned as we really thought. We did get a couple good dare. Oh my god, there was just a couple. There were a couple good ones. The rest of them were just kind of like, go streak in town, crack of dawn. Don't want to get arrested. But we're gonna go into town right now, and we kind of have an idea of like what to do with like maybe like lighters, matches, and like hand sanitizer. If that makes any sense. But other than that, we're gonna just kind of go from there.
Dad. I swear I'm half the reason they blocked that crap off.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, so we found matches. We're in Dollar Tree. Just over down there. But yeah, we're gonna do this, and we're probably gonna go Walmart too if we can find more. Yeah, we're taking everything they have. Sorry, Dollar Tree. Yeah, so we have 2 cars of these. It's fine. It's fine. We're cool. $85 fucking worth of fucking matches. Mom's gonna ask me, why the fuck did you spend $59 at Dollar Tree?
Matches.
We bought a lot of matches. Okay, so to basically summarize the big mishap that happened here. I mean, wait, hold on. Can we just admire this face right here? Look at that face. Look at those lips. Beautiful. But to basically understand, before we got into Dollar Tree, Tyler wanted to go mudding with my truck. It was fun. Don't get me wrong. It was great. But we think what happened to the truck. Kind of what I think is what kind of happened with the mudding. So for 4 hours we were stuck at Dollar Tree from 4 o'clock to 8 o'clock, and it was probably the worst time of that day because the wind was picking up and it was starting to get cold. And we did have someone eventually come down and try helping us, and by the end of the night we had my mom's good friend come down and look at it, and he said it was the flywheel. Well, the flywheel, I don't know what that is. I just know what it's called. That's what he said. I just know it's a flywheel or the starter. It was something else. But 4 days prior to this, like before this happened, it was the starter because my truck actually broke down 4 days before this happened. So basically, to summarize this up, my truck is still broken by the time I was recording this. So yeah, that basically kind of sums this up. But I'm just going to show a little clip of me getting irritated at my truck. And yeah, so there y'all go.
About to knock me down.
No, you gotta be fucking joking.
Give it gas. Pump the gas pedal.
Come on, baby. Well, it's not the greatest day to have this happen.
Try one more time. And if it cranks, just give it gas.
That one doesn't sound good. Alright, so we got about maybe a good couple of matches, a good couple of lighters, and a couple airsoft cans. And basically we're gonna just light the shit out of it since we can't really think of anything else to do.
So, in the meantime, here we go.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to 2019 Bonfire. Yeah, I know. Oh, shit. Those were ones. Are we gonna do a thumbnail now? I don't really give a shit at this point. Oh! Stand back. Yep, there they are. Shit! Oh! Is that it? Airsoft can? Oh, fuck! Oh, shit! Also good. Oh my god, that almost hit me! Dude! Might as well. Send. Yeah, we're gonna stand behind these doors just to be on the safe side. Whoa! There's one. Whoa, there's two. One more. Hey. Alright, that's it.
Alright, well, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. This took way too long and exhausting, especially with the truck dying. But other than that, I hope y'all enjoyed this. This took too much time and money. I think we expected. It's too cold, but we got a fire in the end. So if you're new, hit that subscribe button for more videos like this one. Please hit the like button. Share this video around to others, that way other people can see it. And I'm Nick, this is Tyler, and this is official. See y'all later.
Peace out.
Shout out to my buddy Kyle, all the way from England. He finally watched my channel. So shout out to you, bro. Okay, and that's the end of the video. See y'all.